Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Thinker. Today we will be looking at some life-changing habits which you can form in 66 days, which you will be surprised to know they're fascinating, confusing and some amazing facts. Make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's quickly begin. Number 5. Set 3 or 4 daily priorities. This is one of the best productivity strategies there is. Focus is what leads to results. It's the thing that will bring you closer to achieving your short and long-term goals. But how do you focus when your days are filled with endless distractions? By limiting your options. Each morning, be clear with yourself about what you want to achieve. Before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such exciting, interesting, mind-boggling and shocking facts. Number 4. Read for an hour a day. I get it, you're too busy to read. Or maybe you don't like to read. Well, you're not getting off that easily. Reading turns you into a better thinker and writer. If you do it every day, you'll eventually stop hating it, and one day you'll even love it. Number 3. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. I never sacrifice my sleep for anything. Yes, I said anything. I recently canceled a meeting because I went to bed too late the night before. I had been reading a good book that completely consumed me, and started taking notes on that book. Before I knew it, it was 2 a.m. I was supposed to wake up at 7 a.m. to make the meeting. Number 2. Walk 30 minutes a day. If you can't make time for a short daily walk, you're not in control of your life. Walking, of course, keeps your body moving and is good for you, but the reason I love taking a walk is that it breaks up the mundane pattern of the day. Life is routine, there's nothing wrong with that. But when you walk outside, you're forced to be one with the world. Number 1. Do regular full body workouts. Strength training has several benefits. It protects your bones, increases your muscle mass, keeps you lean, boosts your energy levels, and prevents injuries. I've been lifting weights since I was 16. I started with split routines, meaning I would work different muscles during every session. It turns out that muscles need more stress to become stronger. Please drop a like if you like this video, because it would mean a lot to us. Also let us know any more such facts which you think we should have included in this video, in the comments section, below.